Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Max, and here's Alejandro
Macia.
Okay, he just had his procedures basically 2 days ago, and look at his happy face. He has looked pretty good, and recovery is going well so far.
Recovery is going fantastic, but I think it has a lot to do with your post-surgery and pre-surgery procedures. It has really just been very holistic, very precise, very comprehensive, and very impressive.
Thank you so much. See, it's always warmed my heart when I hear patients who just had their procedure, because usually we expect, okay, it's going to take a long time to recover, painful, and not looking good for some time, and it's kind of not what you expected, right?
Not at all. In fact, I have had zero pain and no swelling, which is quite unusual. My first two procedures, as Dr. Mas mentioned, this is my third procedure, and this has been a fantastic experience.
Well, your first procedure with me.
That is correct.
Correct, yes.
Exactly. So I've had two procedures. I had a procedure 10 years ago and another one 6 years ago. And this has been the most comprehensive procedure and certainly the best experience. You have an amazing team and you do a tremendous job. You really cross all your T's and dot all your I's. It's quite impressive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. But this is, it took years. We started 8 years ago in much smaller office, and this is the second year we actually, that was something I've been always thinking, is to create a patient-centered hair restoration facility that everything is around the patient. It's not about numbers, it's about providing the most comprehensive and the most thorough patient-oriented care, okay? Because this is what we like in the industry. Industry right now heading into, okay, we're gonna do as many procedures as possible, as quickly as possible, without actually looking at the patient as a whole and providing that you are the reason, we are in business is because of our patients, and we want to provide every minute and every asset that we have is just for one person for that day.
Yeah.
And as you can see, so you had some swelling, right, with your previous procedures?
In all of my previous ones, I've had a lot of swelling. Yeah, and some pain as well. So this was spectacular, but I think one of the most amazing things about your procedure is that you do it yourself. You do all the extractions and you do all the implants, and I have never heard of anyone that does that. So the fact that you take the time to do that, with all my previous procedures, everything was done by assisted nurses. And it was just purely supervision where the doctor would come in and out. So I felt very safe and in the best of hands having you taking care of the entire thing. And your staff is just amazing, very warm, very thorough, very attentive. And the fact that you took the time to go through the PRP therapy, the oxygen therapy, and all this pre-surgery is very impressive. And everything that you do post-surgery with the oxygen therapy and all the detailed instructions and comprehensive things that we have to do at home to get the best results is very impressive. So I'm very confident that I'm going to yield the best results.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's really, again, when I hear positive feedback about what you experience here as a patient, that's really helped me. And I know that what we created, it took us many years to get to this point. Let's talk about this hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So this is something that is really unique to us, and I've been passionate about that for many years. I've been a technical diver and scuba diver and what they call rebreather. So I knew about physiology, what oxygen can do, and that was my dream, to have an actual hospital-grade hyperbaric chamber inside the treatment center, because this is a unique opportunity to provide the best care as during hair restoration. Because your grafts, when we take them out, they suffer. transplant all the blood vessels, and you put them in a petri dish for several hours. And while we're waiting to reimplant them, there's no blood flow, right? So hyperbaric oxygen therapy saturates the rest of your body about 800% more oxygen. And the action continues for about 11 hours after the treatment. So when you got your 2 treatments during the day, one before the surgery, one after surgery, for full 24 hours, you had elevated level of oxygen everywhere, including the graft tissue. So we kind of found that people who do it for during the procedure and for the next week after, they just recover amazingly, much faster. As you can see, now 2 days after the procedure, you look like after 7 days because of all this healing potential of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Inflammation reduction, you have almost zero swelling. So, by the way, this strip that you have, we put it as a preventative measure in case you do get swelling. It doesn't go around your eyes, but kind of deflected to the side. But as I can see, it looks really good. I think you will have amazing results.
Yeah, I feel very confident, and I'm very blessed that I had many grafts because I've had some missteps with my previous surgeries, and I'm just very fortunate that I still had enough grafts to be able to do this great surgery with you. Perfect. Because I'm very confident this is going to be a great success. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.